My name is Joshua Placencia, and I'm from the Academy of Finance and Enterprise in Long Island City, Queens.
Born and raised Jackson Heights, Queens, and from a single mother. It's not all too rare to see a single mother in New York City, first generation son in high school, and trying to be the first kid to graduate college.
What I can say about my son is a very, very good boy. He's very smart. I know he's a force, for the school, and I love him because he's, I don't have a word to talk about my son.
And when I grow up, my dream is to be an accountant and economist that turns into an activist. But the path getting there is not easy.
Being named the Junior Achievement Student of the Year, at first I was very surprised, even for somebody like me who has worked hard. I was surprised. I'm like, how can I be one in a whole city?
I am very proud of Joshua Placencia. This is a student that is very committed to study, to excel. He's really a role model to all the students in this school.
He's done so much just for himself and taken advantage of all the opportunities that we've put in front of him. That makes him just a special student alone. Some people wait for these things to happen. He made them happen for him.
Junior Achievement has been around for as long as I can remember. To be named Junior Achievement Student of the Year, competing against I don't know how many kids, it's a very big deal.
JA is about matching business executives who are very successful with young people to give them a chance to see they also could be successful. Joshua is one example of that. He has shown through his schoolwork and his ambitions that he has got what it takes to be a successful business person or a business leader at some point in the future.
Citibank, as you know, is a big financial institution, and we realize it's our responsibility to give back to the community in many ways.
I don't know how I can ever pay back people like Barry, because those are people that are just so kind, so open.
Junior Achievements work with students, especially in high school, to help prepare them for the business world is very helpful for everyone. We could certainly use more good people like Joshua in the business world.
It's an amazing program. It really is. And I want it to be bigger every day because it has such a tremendous impact in the students that even the volunteers might not know how big that impact is.
It's almost as if he's becoming a third son. I care about how he does in school. I care about what college he's going to be getting into and how his life is going to progress.
Junior Achievement is really an incredible program that supports students in many ways. It actually prepares them to really be successful academically. It prepares them in job settings for them to really look at what are some of the expectations for them in years to come.
I definitely want to thank everybody that works with Junior Achievement. The opportunities that they give these students, it really makes a difference in their lives.
Joshua, congratulations. You've done it. You're the 2012 Student of the Year for Junior Achievement of New York. You've been a fantastic role model and will be going forward. A special thanks to all of my colleagues from Junior Achievement New York to the board, to our board companies for what you do every day, making JA make a difference.